What is the triangle method of eating?
The triangle method isn't one formal diet. It's a simple plate idea that puts protein at one point, non-starchy vegetables at another, and a controlled portion of carbs or healthy fat at the third. Prioritizing protein and fiber boosts fullness, eating veggies half your plate helps blood sugar, and portion control plus mindful pacing reduces overeating. It's evidence-based in parts, but not a standardized protocol. Personalize or consult a clinician when needed.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.